brothers got skill. I wanna pump. That other's hot steel, not on the gun, not on the tongue. Whack others pop steel. Come on, come in your lungs. That butter's not real. Paint in dirt. Emotion deceive, focus like tin. Dirt. We soaking cause he roasted like sin. Dirt. He coaching, but we broken. Drink man.
What up, Six Bones?
No need spoken. We in a time. We're free in the mind. Free in the crime. It's being divine. That means we hold the negative high, so with the post competitive down, we sing in the blind. We in the rhyme. This ain't LL, OD, Jay-Z, Nas, lately FL, on we crazy. God never stopped in. Keep all these shot men from top in. Pop lovers on corny shit, that ain't what's poppin'.
Okay, so that was verse 2. Alright. Huh. So that was the video. I like how in the second verse, let me slide back to it. See, this is why we're doing the review. So we gonna go ahead and break it down today. Let's go back to the second verse, cause shit was kind of there. Ooh, that boy said pop lovers on popcorn. Oh nah, what do you? Let's go back. Cause you heard what he said. Hey, we gonna get into it this day. We gonna get into it today. What's going on, Blood Dragon? Appreciate you for stopping by. You know, we doing some music review this morning because I heard this song yesterday and I already knew it was what was popping because I'm popcorn. So we own it. We own it. Okay, so he said pop lovers is on corny shit and that ain't what's popping. God damn it. See. Woo! He said y'all pop lovers is on corny shit and that ain't what's popping. Actually, it's always gonna be popping to be on some corny shit because that's why I stay corny as fuck. Hell, they gonna want you one day because it's corny. Some people like corny. I know I like corny. If you don't like corny, I don't know why you're on my channel anyways. What you doing, huh? You don't like them corny motherfuckers that like to show up and do their work, then they show the fuck out, because guess what? I did my work earlier, okay? I just been sitting here collecting bonus points. Leave me the fuck alone. Y'all be ready? Let's go. Let's run that verse back. One more again.